Here at Console, we've got the brand new JACK JK-1900 barra tack sewing machine. Now the barra tack stitch is mainly used for anything that you're sewing that you believe may come under stress. As you can see here, we have had some examples and we will just show you quickly how you sew with it. So as you can see, it is flawless barra tack stitches every single time. And as you notice, the presser foot automatically comes up and down when you sew. There is no need to manually do it, and it also has a swiper arm that moves the thread out of the way for you here, as you can see on the side. This machine comes built in with an electronic tension control unit that's here, which you don't have to adjust manually, but you can adjust through the screen here, as you can see thread tension. It also has a bobbin winder built in at the top, so you can wind up all the bobbins that you need. Through the screen here, you can change the modes and the different settings.
Select normal pattern.
So as you can see, you can change the patterns here for different sizes of barra tack that you may need to use.
Enter. Drilling.
As you can see, one press of the pedal and it does it all for you. Also, you can upload your own stitch designs, as it has got a built-in USB side here, where you can insert a USB card and download any kind of stitches that you need. And you can also adjust the speed of the barra tack as well. So as you can see, we've set it to 700, and it slows much more slowly now. And that's everything. If you have any more questions or would like to see any more sewing machines, please let us know in the comments or send us an email or a message. Thank you very much.